Welcome back to our channel. Today we'll walk you through the process of pinning a chat in Telegram. Pinning a chat allows you to keep important conversations at the top of your chat list for easy access. Let's get started with the full guide. Step 1. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Play Store and search for Telegram in the search bar. Look for the app with a distinctive blue circle that contains a white paper airplane. This is the official Telegram app. Step 2. Tap on the Telegram app to select it. Then, tap on Install to begin the download. Wait for the app to finish downloading, and once it's done, tap on Open to launch it. Step 3. Sign into your Telegram account using your usual credentials. Enter your phone number and verification code to log in successfully. Step 4. Now on the chat list screen, tap and hold on the chat that you want to pin. A menu will appear. Step 5. From the menu, tap on the 3 stacked dots to access additional options. Look for the metal pin icon next to the pin option and tap on it to pin the chat. By following these simple steps, you can easily pin a chat in Telegram, keeping it conveniently located at the top of your chat list for quick access. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative guides. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.